Good morning, Judd here. I got my time-lapse video posted, and Lucinda, looking at the video, and she has an eye of an eagle, said there's another viable bloom here somewhere. So I think she said it was over there. I don't see it. I'm not seeing it now. I thought I saw it in the video, but I'm not seeing it now. Oh, look at that. It's jammed in there. Behind the Severus. There we go. Okay. So there it is. It's on the ground. And it looks a little small, but it looks healthy. It looks many days away from blooming. Oh, interesting. Geez, I wonder if being on the ground is going to mess it up. Okay, I grabbed one of my support rods and I have propped this leaf up because I think that'll give that a little more chance getting that off the ground and in the air. Now it's just wait and see, and that looks maybe 2 or 3 days away if it's going to go. That looks like the first one I saw that never did go, so we'll see. It's the next day. It's Wednesday, 29 July. You can see the one that we're waiting on now that I propped up has taken a definite turn upwards, which is a very good sign. And it seems it's definitely gotten longer and maybe a little bit bigger. But that is good. That shows it might work out. So we're going to keep an eye on that and see what happens. Okay, it's the 30th, Thursday, and as you can see, that bloom has turned up even more, looking very good, looking healthy. I would suspect tomorrow night is when that baby's going to go. Could be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking. Okay, Friday, July 31st, and that has dropped a little bit. I don't think that's a good sign. Or maybe it's just getting so big the weight pulls it down, so maybe it is a good sign. I don't know if it's a good sign or not, but that's where it stands today, and I'm not sure if that's going to go tonight or not. Maybe another day, if it's going to go at all. Okay, it's Friday, it's about 6:15, and that's kind of looking like it is going to go tonight. See those little white bits coming up on the front? Opening up on the front there. That looks like that's gonna go tonight. So a couple hours we'll have to get out here and get the cameras on it. Okay, it's, I don't know, about 7:30 or so. For the record, I just rearranged this a little bit to give the bloom clearance, because where it was going to run into another plant. And so here we've gotten this reconfigured a bit here so that that bloom will have plenty of room to open. That is going, baby. That is going. And now, the queen of the night.